spot exciting days and 10 romantic nights. Before we depart, I must remind you that please remain on your seat and keep all your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat. Otherwise, the crocodiles will come here and eat you, okay? And because this is a water ride, you may get wet, so please beware of your electronic device. And please supervise your children, okay? Alright, everybody, let's look at your left side. Your left side, nothing interesting. But something interesting on your right side. Do you know what is this?
Elephant!
And the tree house, very good. But so sorry, Pat's now going trouble with Jane. He's not at home. Maybe next time when he's back home, remember, please take the rock over there. But don't sleep because there's so many crocodiles hiding under the river and waiting for you. We are the longest river in the world, around 4,000 miles. But don't worry, I know the shortcut and then we can go back to the dog faster. Let's look at the front. See, there's some elephants. Let's see what they're doing now. It's the mother elephant and its baby. They come down to a bar. The mother elephant is teaching its baby how to use its trunk. Look, they're so cute, they're so happy. But no worry, he's just a little baby. You won't get wet. Alright, let's look at your right side. Something you won't see every day. It's a brother elephant. Now he's taking shower with his teeth breakers. But I think after they wanted too long, so he's already home. And look at the spray water. If you don't want to have so much spray clothes, remember to take shower. Oh no, one more in the front. It is that elephant. And lots of spray water too. Hey guys, are you ready to get wet? Now it's too late. He's coming up. Everybody ready? 1, 2, 3, get down. Eating the water. Oh, it seems like we come to the turn of the jungle now. Wow, look at your left side. Giant spider. Look, 1, 2, and 3. Wow, so big. Have you ever seen this big spider before? No, after the first time. I think they can jump over 20 feet. But no worries, get them away if they jump to the trouble for us. It is an ancient half of their nature. Number 1 is the elephant frog and also have the cobra to protect you. Okay, if it has the cobra, one more on your left side. Be quiet, okay? The cobra is the most poisonous thing in the world. If they see us, they'll come here to fight us. Okay, everybody, you can all relax. Got some picture now. Oh, what in the front? It's crocodiles. We come to the crocodiles encounter now. Pay no more attention to them because most of them are fast asleep. But it seems that some of them are so hungry. Keep just inside the boat, okay? We call them crocodiles. But you know what they call us? They are spinners. So watch your hands. They look cute, they're very nice, okay? So watch your children. Alright, up ahead, it is the papers of our scientists. I remember we have a scientist called Dr. Chef who come from Hong Kong. So why so many gorillas here? Oh, watch out, he's playing a gun! Whoa! Hey, it's very dangerous! Don't play the gun anymore, okay? Don't shoot us! Okay, wow, everybody, welcome to African Safari. You can see there's so many animals like zebras, giraffe, and elephants. Okay, let me ask you a question. Do you know the difference between a male zebra and a female zebra? No? And let me tell you, it's the stripe, okay? On the left side, this is the male zebra, black with white stripe on the male, okay? On the right side, this is the female, white with black stripe. Yeah! Yeah, if you don't believe me, I can let you off the boat and take a closer look. Alright, the next one. This elephant is the second tier elephant in our cycle, the African elephant. And the first one. On the right side, this is his mother-in-law. So it seems that they're hungry. It's better for us to go now. Alright, oh, something's surrounding us in the crew. Oh, it's hip-hop. Everybody please remain on your seat because the loss of this rubber boat. Everybody remember to protect it every night, okay? Uh-oh. What did you do to the tree? What's that? Oh, yeah, now it's about a rhino. The second one is our scientist, Dr. Shag. Oh, he's in danger. Does anyone want to help them? No. I won't have them too. It's very dangerous. Maybe we just let it go, okay? Let it go. Let it go. Alright. Next station. Oh, we come to the local territory. Everybody, don't worry. The local people here is so friendly, okay? But I know that they love to use the poison gun to catch fish. Okay? Let's say hello to the people. Hello. konnichiwa. 안녕하세요. Oh, we have to catch fish. Hey, sorry, we have no fish. Don't catch the fish. Calm down. Stop it, please. Everybody, are you all okay? Okay. Yes, very good. If you get hit by the dog, just bring out everything you need to be. Don't keep it as a souvenir, okay? We're not allowed to keep the souvenir. Alright, now we're out of danger. I think we can back to the dump now. Whoa! What's happening? Everybody, watch out! Oh no. It seems that we come to the forbidden canyon of God. Oh, this area is covered by the god of fire and the god of water. We cannot be scared. Oh no! It's fire! It's fire! Oh, sorry! Okay, now we're out of danger! We're safe! Yay! We're still alive! Whew. Okay. If we're back at the dock, look, it's on the left side. Ah, it's